Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on a backyard tour to share with you the 5 things that we are doing to de-stress. The first thing that we are doing to de-stress is grill. Get outside, light up those tiki torches and grill. The second thing that we're doing is, and you can see we use it quite a bit, is light up our fire pit. It's something so very relaxing about being around the fire and listening to the breeze at night. The other thing that we do, as you can see, we got this pool here. It was only $40 and we get in here and de-stress. Also, gardening. I'm going to show you some of the results of the gardening that we did before. As you can see, lots of bugs when you garden and lots of geckos here in Florida, but it's coming along. I think these are the cucumbers. So again, just want to let you know some of the things that we're doing to de-stress. Getting outside, trying to stay home, ride our bikes when we can for exercise, and de-stress. Alright, thanks for stopping by my channel. Share with me some of the things that you're doing to de-stress during this time. I know it's a lot going on in our country right now and the world. Double whammy, the pandemic and racial unrest, okay? And we got the protests going on, which is a good thing. So take care of yourself. Know that it's okay if you're feeling a little overwhelmed, because there is a lot going on.